And now, when the world needs greatness most, he returns to inspire.
So what's up, my beautiful people? Lyles has dropped a new banger, a scary video, a shocking video, a disturbing video. The first clip you just watch while playing this video is a video of Lyles which was being released recently, and when I watched the video I started crying for Kishane Thomson and other sprinters because Lyles is looking dangerous, he is looking sharp, he is looking fast. I don't know how to describe how he looks in that video, but he was looking like a superhero. He was looking like a Superman. He was looking very, very hot. And in that video, he made a very huge statement, and I feel like he is sending a warning. He is sending a message to the Jamaican sprinters, not just the Jamaican sprinters, but in fact all the male sprinters that will be competing against Lyles in the 2025 season. And I will share with you every single detail you need to know. So now, when we talk about the competitors that Lyles has to defeat in order to get that gold medal in the 2025 World Athletic in Tokyo, the number one sprinter we all know that can take down Lyles is none other than Kishane Thomson. He has the best techniques to make sure Lyles doesn't get what he wants in the 100 meters. And in the 200 meters, of course, we have Lyles Tebogo. So it is not going to be easy for Noah. It's not going to be easy for him. Do not forget that Lyles lost his crown in the 200 meters in last year Paris Olympic, right? Thanks to the fact that they ran the same time. If Kishane Thomson would have run a faster time than Lyles at the Paris Olympic, Kishane Thomson would have won the gold medal, right? But Lyles, they ran the same time with Kishane Thomson, and he ended up winning that gold medal in the 100 meters, right? So it is what it is. Now let me share with you what Lyles said. So yo guys, this is the message that Lyles released, and he said the champion returns. The champion returns. And when he said the champion returns, Lyles is referring to himself as the champion. When someone calls himself the champions, it means he is very bold. He is confident that he is also going to be the champion in 2025. So Lyles is already making a very bold statement that look, the 2025 season belongs to me. I don't care whether it is Kishane, I don't care whether it is Oblique Civil, I don't care whoever is going to stand on my way. All I know is I am the champion and I am returning to take back my crown in 2025. See, I will advise you to go and watch the video because it has over 30,000 views right now on YouTube. You have to watch the video because he said a lot. He said a lot on that video. So I'm also wishing Kishane Thomson the best because he is also one of my favorite athletes. But I know that Kishane Thomson has what it takes to take down Lyles, right? So one thing I'm just praying for luck to be on his side. Yes, because sometimes the whole sprinting thing is all about luck sometimes. So I pray that luck is going to be on Kishane's side, and when the competition kicks off.